how to see who liked your Spotify playlist. So first of all, let's go ahead right here to our App Store or Google Play, and let's go ahead and wait for a few moments right here, and let's search for our app Spotify. Okay, and after we search for Spotify right here, okay, let me just delete this. We're gonna wait for a few moments, and let's go ahead right here to Spotify and make sure that you updated the app to the last version so you can get all the new features. Okay, next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead right here to the app. Okay, and let me go to my library. Okay, and let's go ahead right here into the playlist at the top left to specify our search only on the playlist. Okay, next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and click my playlist. Okay, and as you can see right here, you won't see an option even if we click the three dots right here to know if someone liked our song or liked one of the songs on our playlist or not. Alternatively, what you're gonna do for now, you're gonna ask from your friend to take a screenshot of that playlist. Okay, and from there you're gonna know how many songs that he or she liked on your playlist on Spotify. Unfortunately for now, Spotify doesn't provide the feature of knowing if someone liked your song on your playlist or not, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.